My name is Pratham Shastrakar. I am from Vadsa, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in Electronics and Telecommunication from Government College of Engineering, Chandrapur. I got to know about Emertxe from my seniors. They have also attended this embedded system course at Emertxe, and they all got placed in their respective companies. In college, I was an average student. I didn't know anything about the programming. After coming to Emertxe only, I got to know more about programming and hardware related part in embedded system. Emertxe helped me get hand-on experience on embedded system. All the mentors and student support team are here to help us. If I had any doubts in my course during programming and any part, I had my mentors who cleared my doubt at any point of time. Projects and assignments are really helpful. After learning all the theoretical knowledge to implement it practically, completing multiple projects and assignments are really necessary. I have completed a project car black box, which really helped me understand how the embedded system works, like how the hardware understand the coding part we actually do. I have completed 5 projects at Emertxe. These projects are really helpful getting this job, because in job they only ask you question regarding your projects, like how you implemented your skills. Projects are the proof that you have implemented these skills. This was my first interview and I got placed at Marelli, Bangalore. From being an average student to having a really hands-on experience in embedded system, Emertxe had really helped me to gain all this programming skill and got this job. I will suggest everyone to be honest with themselves, like do your projects on your own, then only you will able to get this job.